Hey everybody, we've got a little bit of a unusual project compared to what I've normally been doing on the channel. Or involves welding, but it's on something we haven't welded on before on the videos. But there's some guys logging across the hill here on Rachel's Chapel, and this dozer, they set up a way to with a hydraulic cylinder to tilt the blade on this dozer where it used to be a straight blade, or I don't believe these used to tilt side to side, but they designed a way to tilt them. And the cylinder has broke off on it, so we're going to try to weld the tilt cylinder back. And got a pretty neat old bed on this truck to haul it. Got them some rails where the tracks fit right in, so it won't slide off the sides and things as they load it. And I just told them to leave. Brought it last night about 10 o'clock and dropped it off. I told them just to leave it loaded. I'd back it inside as far as I could to get out of the rain and weld her up and call them back and tell them to come get it. So we will get started. Here's what we got going on. This tilt cylinder bracket has broke off here. They tried to patch it a little bit with the welder they had. It just wouldn't do it. So we'll grind that off, get her up there, get it positioned and tacked, probably weld it in, and then maybe weld some a little gusset, extra gusset in it somehow or another. So we'll get started. Okay, I guess we'll try to tack him up. Got my ground hooked down on the cutting edge. I hope it'll ground. If not, I'll have to hop down and yeah, it'll work. Some porous weld underneath that to round out. Previous weld in there. done decent. Now we'll put us a root pass in on this one. Alright, I just come back in, clean these sides up good. Same thing here. We'll put 2 passes over that, and then we'll build us a gusset to go in right here most likely. Kind of cut and knock something out and make us a good little gusset in here so that will be better supported. Now we'll cut this piece of plate, snotch it out right there so it'll fit, and weld it here and in there, and that'll make a lot better setup. Well, we got that cut out and tacked in, so I'll get it welded up, and I guess I'll have to try to weld underneath it too. It's gonna be fun with it here on this truck. pretty. Got a pretty good gap right here. I kind of cut it at an angle to clear in welds. I'll start here and weld back towards the gap. Alright, got that welded in. I think I'll come in, I think I'll come in and multi-pass this weld right here. This here I'll just leave single pass. Alright, that's got her welded up underneath and everything, so hopefully that'll prevent it from breaking on them again. They done a heck of a paint job on this old dozer. It looks pretty good. I mean, it's been scratched, but it looks like the paint been painted a while. They done a pretty good job on it. Whoever painted it. But I'll get my stuff put away here, and we'll get this old truck moved so I can shut my doors back. No Ford F700. The hood badge says it's a 372 valve engine. I don't know if that's the engine that's in it or not. But I'll get her moved out of the way and parked and call them to come get it when they want to. All right. That concludes this part of the, well, not this part of the video, the whole video. So, if y'all will, please like, subscribe, and comment. And we'll talk to you later. Thanks for watching.